Good boy. You want to go touch, Nani? You want to touch again? Ooh. Breathe. You want to touch again? Touch, touch. Touch, touch. Good girl. What's the doggy saying, Nana? What's it saying? Yeah, it's sitting. It's sitting. Yeah. You want to touch? Okay, go touch. Go touch.
Oh, she was
You don't need to touch the face, baby. You can touch anywhere.
Wow.
Good girl. Good girl. Cheers. Cheers. She's trying to talk in doggy language. You want to touch again?
And she's going to the
She's going on her own. You want to touch again? Go touch. Go touch. It's fine. Doggy sitting. Doggy sitting. You want to touch again? And then say bye-bye to doggy. Doggy wants to go. Say bye-bye, doggy. Bye-bye, doggy. Bye-bye, doggy. Bye-bye, doggy.